OPC Compliance Made Easy. With Filings Corner, hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're a solo entrepreneur or startup founder operating a one-person company, OPC in India, staying compliant is not just a legal requirement, it's a strategic move for long-term success. At Filings Corner, we handle your entire OPC compliance journey, from MCA filings to audits and governance, accurately, affordably, and on time. Key compliance requirements for OPCs. Let's walk through what your OPC needs to stay compliant. Form AOC 4, Annual Financial Statement Filing. Due date, within 30 days of the AGM or 180 days from the end of the financial year, if no AGM is held. Purpose, filing your balance sheet, profit and loss, and other financials. Penalty, R100 per day for delays. Form, MGT 7, Annual Return Filing. Due date, within 60 days from the end of the financial year. Purpose, disclosing company structure, director details, and shareholding. Penalty, R100 per day for late filing. Statutory audit and auditor appointment. Form ADT 1, audit is mandatory, even for small OPCs. Form ADT 1 must be filed within 15 days of incorporation or AGM to appoint a chartered accountant. Form DIR 12, change in director or nominee. Must be filed within 30 days of any director change. Nominee director. Every OPC must appoint a nominee to take over in case of death or incapacity of the sole member. Form MGT 14, Special Resolutions and Decisions. Required when the OPC passes any special resolution. Due date, within 30 days of passing the resolution. Form INC 6, OPC to pivot lealtad. Conversion, mandatory when O turnover exceeds Rs 2 crores, or O paid-up capital exceeds Rs 50 lakhs. Due date, within 15 days of the board resolution. Why OPC compliance matters, avoid heavy penalties, maintain credibility, streamline finances, future-proof your business. How Filings Corner helps OPCs stay compliant. At Filings Corner, we're more than just a compliance partner. We're your growth ally. End-to-end OPC filing support, AOC 4, MGT 7, DIR 12, MGT 14, INC 6, and more audit and tax filing, handled by expert chartered accountants, nominee and director management, from appointment to changes conversion assistance, seamless transition to pivot lealtad, structure compliance alerts, so you never miss a due date. Get started with Filings Corner today. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to ensure your one-person company is 100% compliant and future-ready. Filings Corner, because every founder deserves expert support.